Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will see how can we use NumPy in order to find out the basic mathematical operations of multiplication, division, addition. Afterwards we will see how can we find out the dot product between the elements, and after it we can find out how can we use the one-dimensional array to transform it into multidimensional. So first of all I am going to restart from one-dimensional array changes to multidimensional. So in order to do this we have to use, first of all, let's suppose we have a one-dimensional array. Like, to make one-dimensional array you should have to understand that you have to initialize from import numpy as np. After that you have to write any kind of variable which you will use, like a equals to np.arrange. You have to write here the numbers or number up till you want to make your array. So I have write here 12, so my array have been made of number 12. So in my array there should be the 12 numbers present in shorter words. So now I have to print a. Let's see what happens with the result. So as you see that as the array starts from 0, so the up till 12 numbers, the last number should be 11, because starting from 0 the number counts 12 is 11. Now what should I do? I have to make this array of my need, because I want to reshape it into multidimensional. In order to do it in multidimensional or change its shape, you should have to use the reshape command. So how to use reshape command? It is very easy. You just have to write, I'm going to reshape my a, so I will use the variable reshape. You can use any kind of variable, but now this pattern is specific. A is fixed, a is a dot, it is the name of variable. Afterwards the command which you use is reshape. This reshape will make your one-dimensional array into multidimensional, or multidimensional array into one-dimensional, either depending upon your choice. So here I am going to use 4, 3. This 4, 3 representing the first row. The first element is presenting row and the second element is presenting columns. So 4 3s are 12. This will sum up to the 12 numbers, 12 elements in the list. So the number of elements should be equal, otherwise it will not be performed. Afterwards you have to print reshape. Let's see what happens with the result. As you see that your one-dimensional array has been transformed into multidimensional. So there are 4 rows and 3 columns. As you see here, 4 rows and 3 columns here. Now you can do multiple operations, like if you want to make it to do certain things like c equals to np.dot arrange. You can also give the ranges like this. This 13 will not be included. Starting from 1, the numbers will be counted till 12, because this 13 is out of bound. So the numbers which will be printed from starting from 0 up till 12. In order to use two arrays and to perform multiple operations, you should understand that the number of rows should be equals to number of columns of the one array to the another array. So if the number of rows of one and the number of rows of the other, or either columns of one or columns of other, is different, then the multiplication operations or any sort of operations, algebraic operations, will not be going to performed. So d equals to np.dot arrange 13, 25. Why I have included 25? Because 13 till 24 includes 12 numbers, as 1 from 13 includes 12 numbers. 13 till 25 includes 12 numbers, because this 25 has not been included here, is not included. So print c print d. So as you see that the numbers of rows and columns of C and D are equal. These are C's and these are D. So number of rows and columns are equal as you have seen here. If you want to make it C plus D, you can also check it here like this. You can also perform multiplication. You can do so many operations. I'm not going to use it for multiple operations, but for addition subtraction I will have done it here. Now if you want to take the dot product, it is very easy. You just have to write what print. The command is very easy, np.dot C, D. So this is going to make your dot product. This command is going to make it your dot product. So this C and D are going to be the dot product at here. In shorter word, how you can use the dot product is just basically this command. This command is basically independent, displaying the command of using dot product. It is very easy. In this manner you can use linear regression or linear algebraic method, find out variables, and you can use it for cross product. You can either use for how to finding out the eigenvalues. In this manner you can use so many operations by using these commands like this np.dot something, which you can hear. If you want to find out cross product, you will write np.cross. So in this manner you can use multiple operations. I hope you will understand the basic methodology of using these commands. If you have further more queries, you can ask. I will answer it. And if you find it difficult to understand something, you can write in comment section. I will make and upload the video. I hope you will very familiar with it and you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.